Hello friends, welcome back to the new tutorial of the Docker. Today we are going to learn about how to install the Docker using Linux Ubuntu. Those who haven't subscribed my channel yet, please do subscribe my channel, and if you like the video, please do like, share and comment on my video. So let's get started. Let's copy this first command and go to the terminal. So let me add the password. This is done. Moving to the next step, we have to go with this command. This is done. Then we have to go with this command. Then we have to go with another command. So this is also done. Net Next we have the command app cache policy. So we have to check this one. So you can see that there is a Docker CE installed none. That means we haven't installed the Docker right now. So we have to go with the Docker CE. So let's go and install this sudo apt install Docker CE. Okay, so here we go with this one. So let's install this. After these steps, let's go and start the status, check the status of the Docker. So you can see Docker is enabled. Okay, now to check whether you can access and download the images from the Docker Hub or not, let's go and run this Docker run hello world. You can see permission denied, so that means you need to run the command with the sudo unable to find the image latest pulling from the hello world. Now you can see to generate this message, Docker took the following steps. Hello world, hello from the Docker. This message had been installation appears that working currently. That means we have downloaded pulling the library from the hello world and the pull is completed. That means we have successfully completed the Docker run steps, right? So next we can check the Docker search Ubuntu. Okay, they have or not. Then we have to run the sudo permission over here, and here you can see the Docker commands are working successfully, and you can search with the Ubuntu. Then all of the details are coming over here, right? And we have the Docker hyphen version. So here you can see that the Docker version is this one. So we have successfully installed the Docker in our Linux Ubuntu system. Any doubt, any query in that, do let me know in the comment section. Thank you so much for watching this video. Have a great day.